Hello, good morning. Um, let's talk a little bit about the AI and the um, travel travel industries. So this is my mini lecture on AI or artificial intelligence and the travel industries in general. When we talk about tourism, we have to understand that there are actually three dimensions. Uh, the first is the traveling where people travel from destination A to destination B and maybe and back. So it involves um, um, the airline industry, logistics, the transport. How would you get to city A to city B, and the process of uh, making the what we call arrangement. This is one aspect of tourism. The second one is on the accommodations. So we talk about hospitality in a hotel or resort where they stay and catering, the food, the dining, and etc. So this is the second dimension. When you get to the destination, where do you stay? How do you, you know, go about having your dinner, having your lunch, the catering, the dining, the food, the restaurant. And the third dimension is on the tourism activities. When you get to the destination, what do you do then? We talk about activities like skiing, shopping, sightseeing, so on and so forth. So these are the three dimensions in tourism. So let's look at the prediction, some of the predictions. According to finding experts, the prediction about AI is that by the year 2030, robots will make up about 25%, or in other words, one in four of the workforce in the hospitality industry. Uh, I think we begin to see a big change in the industry, the travel industry, the hospitality industry. So AI robots are here to stay. And I'm talking to you under the topics on page number 36. If you have the book with you, you can turn to page number 36 under the title AI and the travel industry. And there are actually three subtopics. The first one is on chatbots and the online customer service. And the second topic is on the customer service, where you can, uh, you know, customers would interact verbally or text to text, with the chatbot or the robots. And the third is on the manipulation of data and data collection under the concept of big data and data mining. Now, what is big data and data mining? Big data and data mining are two different concepts. Big data is simply a term referring to the company or the uh, what we call the system collect a lot of data. Uh, for example, when you book a flight from an airline, or when you search for hotel accommodations through booking.com or Agoda or any other online system, they're actually collecting your data. Okay, this is big data. And the second term is data mining. Mining is doing something about the data, like extracting or taking out the data that you need, the knowledge, the pattern, or the information. This is an aspect of AI actually. So robots are here to stay. The use of robots within the hospitality industry is becoming more, more normal, a new normal, with users ranging from artificial intelligence chatbots designed to assist with the customer service process through robot assistants deployed to improve the positive attitudes from the guests. Okay, so robots actually have been used in many hotels, many places to enhance the positive attitudes to make the guest or the customer satisfied. If you like my show, you can actually um, subscribe to my channel, Janpha channel. Uh, you can see over there. You can actually scan the QR code. Um, anyway, so I'll talk about the topics, the chatbots and online customer service. For example, you can think of the when you book a hotel on the internet or when you book a flight on the internet. This is the first aspect is the use of online customer service. Uh, and the face-to-face customer service like the use of what we call the automatic system. Um, well, you can actually think about when you go to an airport, you can actually check into the counter. There's a counter where you do your own check-in when you are checking in. This is one aspect of face-to-face customer service. And the third one is about the data gathering and data mining. So, so this is the mini lecture on AI and the travel industry. Still have some time. Let me show you the uh, what we call the yeah. This is what AIs. This is what the chatbot look like. This is just the back door. This is the back end of a Dialog 4 chatbot, where you can actually program a system uh, to handle the request from the customer. Uh, the, you so you need some kind of programming knowledge actually to uh, look into this. So thank you for watching. And I'm Janpha Thadphoothon, and my mini lecture is on the AI and the travel industries. Just one sentence I would like to uh, give you as a takeaway. If any take just one takeaway you can get from my mini lecture is that AI and the artificial intelligence and the application of AI like the chatbots and robots and automatic system online or face to face, they are here to stay. They are not actually replacing humans, but they are making uh, human workforce like us more efficient. We can work better under the new normal, under the AI and robots, the age of AI and robots. Thank you for watching.